Hello there, what's up, and welcome back to another video. My name is Jamie and I am back with your daily dose of wisdom. And my goal with this page is not to reach millions, it is to reach you. And I am hoping that I can change your life in a positive way and maybe instill so much wisdom and knowledge inside of you that you can just weed out the negative thoughts as they come about. So the first golden nugget that I have for you today is: the law of assumption states whatever we assume to be true is what will be true in our lives. So a good question to ask yourself for 2025 is, what are you expecting to happen? So basically, you have to ask yourself, what am I expecting to happen in my life for the next year? And if you are expecting good things and you are looking for good things, then you will find good things, right? Your brain will automatically go to that perspective of the good things. It will be looking for good things if you are expecting to find good things. So the second thing that I have for you today is, if you have made the decision for 2025 to be your best year, then you need to think about how you want to feel. So like how you would feel if your 2025 was how you was wanting it to be or expecting it to be, right? So basically, like if you have made the decision to change your life next year, which we kind of all do, but we just kind of hope that it will happen, but we have to set the intention and expect that it will happen. So you have to ask yourself, how would I feel if I had that lifestyle? So like, let's say you're wanting to make $10,000 a month. So like, visualize yourself looking at your bank account and it's got $10,000 for the month of January. And then how happy would you be? How would you feel if you actually had $10,000 that month in your account? And that feeling, you have to try your best to go back to that feeling as much as possible, because the brain can't determine what you visualized and what is actually happening. Like it doesn't know the difference, is what I'm understanding whenever I've done all this research and stuff. So also remember, what gets in your mind and stays there, it is what you choose, right? So make sure you're choosing wisely. So if you literally are thinking every day about something specifically, you are choosing that thought, right? So we get to choose our thoughts. So you have to figure out a way, and if it's not a good thought, then you have to figure out a way to get that out of there. And sometimes that can be tough. Like, I know exactly what that is. But if you can figure out a way to just be like, okay, so when I think about this, I'm going to attach this to it. So then I automatically think this when I think that. So, and then believe it or not, everything takes time, but within time, you will eventually start to, connect. So like, let's say you have this bad thought, but then you think about, okay, well, every time I think about this person, I'm going to think about my dog, what it did yesterday that made me crack up. It's like you got to link things to things. So another one that I have is, be careful with the company that you keep consistently. Not everyone wants the best for you. Okay, so make sure that the people that you keep in your life is positive and wants the best for you and everyone else. So remember, if they talk bad about people to you, they're probably talking bad about you to people. So make sure that the people that you are keeping in your life is a positive influence on you, and you can be a positive influence on them. And make sure to keep real relationships. So I talked about that the other day. Real relationships are super important because you want people that's got your back, that ride or die. You want the people that has your back. Those are the people that you want to talk to every day, and that you really want to be connected with. And just the best thing I can think for today is just remember that what you think expands, and what you set an intention for, you will look for. And if you think about the good, you're going to start finding the good, and you're going to see the good. So with that said, I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Be beautiful, be yourself, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.